Welcome to iTCA, I Teach Cybersecurity Academy, where we make cybersecurity simple, useful, and practical for everyone. Before we talk about tools, attacks, or technical terms, let's start with something familiar. Think about how often you use your phone, connect to the internet, save personal information online, or trust digital systems to work the way they should. Most of us do this every single day, without stopping to think about what could go wrong, how bad the damage could be, or what we would do if something failed. That gap between trust and reality is where cybersecurity problems begin. Many people believe cybersecurity is only about hackers in dark rooms attacking big banks or government systems. In reality, cybersecurity failures affect ordinary people, small businesses, hospitals, schools, and families. When a banking app crashes, when personal data is leaked, when a hospital system goes offline, or when a social media account is taken over, the real problem isn't just the attack itself. The real problem is that the risk was never properly understood, measured, or managed in the first place. This is exactly why this course exists. Welcome to the Information Security Risk Assessment course. This course is designed to help you understand cybersecurity from the perspective that matters most: decision-making. Instead of starting with complex technical defenses, we start with a much more important question. What are we protecting? What can go wrong? And what should we fix first? Once you can answer those questions, everything else in cybersecurity begins to make sense. Risk assessment is the foundation of all effective security. Organizations don't fail because they lack technology. They fail because they don't understand risk. You cannot protect everything equally, and you cannot eliminate every threat. What you can do is identify what is valuable, understand what is likely to happen, and focus your efforts where the damage would hurt the most. That ability to prioritize is what separates random security actions from professional security strategy. What makes this course especially important is that risk assessment is not just a cybersecurity skill. It is something you already use in everyday life, often without realizing it. When you decide whether to use public Wi-Fi, reuse a password, back up your phone, or share personal information online, you are making risk decisions. This course helps you understand those decisions clearly and apply the same thinking to real-world systems, businesses, and organizations. This course is built for beginners and for anyone who wants clarity instead of confusion. You don't need a technical background to succeed here. If you are a student, an IT professional, a business owner, a manager, or simply someone who wants to understand how cybersecurity risks affect daily life, this course is designed for you. Every concept is explained in simple language, with relatable examples and real scenarios that connect theory to reality. As you move through the course, you'll learn how professionals identify assets, recognize threats, discover vulnerabilities, and evaluate impact and likelihood. You'll see how risks are analyzed and scored, how decisions are made using risk matrices, and how organizations choose the best way to treat risk. You'll also learn how security controls actually reduce risk and how to communicate technical problems in a way that executives and non-technical decision-makers understand. By the end of this course, you won't just know definitions. You'll know how to think. You'll be able to look at a situation, break it down logically, and explain why something is risky, how serious it is, and what should be done about it. That skill applies across cybersecurity roles, across industries, and across everyday digital life. So, here's the big picture. This course helps you move from fear and guesswork to confidence and understanding. It gives you a structured way to think about cybersecurity problems before they turn into disasters. It equips you with a foundational skill that supports every other security topic you'll ever learn. If you're ready to stop reacting to problems and start making informed security decisions, this is the right place to begin. Go ahead and move into the first module now. And if you're finding value in this course, remember to like the video, share it with others who could benefit, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Welcome to iTCA, and welcome to Information Security Risk Assessment.